Good day, everyone. And today will be presenting to you Yellow Sigatoka affecting banana plants and mealybugs on pumpkin. The significance of banana. Bananas are a valuable commodity and a vital source of nutrition, livelihood, and culturally from a society point of view, and also worldwide. Their availability, nutritional benefits, and also culinary diversity, which help create value-added products such as flour and bread. In addition, the leaves can also be used as plates or wraps in various countries. The significance of Yellow Sigatoka. Yellow Sigatoka, which is sometimes called a yellow leaf spot, is a fungal disease in banana plants, especially that of the Cavadis variety, which is highly susceptible. The disease is caused by a fungus called Mycospirilla musicola, but was known in prior times as Mycospirilla fijensis. Here is a short video of Yellow Sigatoka on a young banana plant. The symptoms of Yellow Sigatoka. The symptoms which are primarily seen in is a small yellowish spots appearing on infected leaves of the plants. The spots tend to enlarge after time and form into large lesions. With the progress of the disease, any affected leaves tend to develop necrosis regions, which are normally brown or black. Necrosis can spread to the whole leaf, which results in premature senescence and, by extension, defoliation. In terms of reduced photosynthesis, when the leaves begin to yellow and develop necrosis, the ability of the plant to photosynthesize is reduced, thereby causing reduced growth and yield potential. In terms of the impact on the fruit, infections can also affect the fruit quality, resulting in premature ripening of fruits, which are smaller in size and have a higher opportunity for physical damage and post-harvest diseases. For the disease cycle, Yellow Sigatoka spreads primarily from spores produced by the fungus on the leaves. The spores are usually dispersed by wind, rain, and human activities. In terms of the management strategies, fungicide application is mostly used to combat the Yellow Sigatoka disease. It suppresses the growth of the fungus and reduces the damage caused by the disease. However, frequent use of fungicides can result in strains of fungi being developed, which are highly resistant to the fungicide. There's also cultural practices, which involve the removal of infected leaves. It also involves correct spacing between plants, which would encourage good airflow. There's also a pruning of old and dead leaves. Another method is that of breeding resistant varieties that have a natural resistance or tolerance to Sigatoka. Another method is integrated pest management strategies, which combine more than one control method, like cultural practices, biological agents, and fungicides. I will now be talking about another pest, Mealybugs, which affect pumpkin. In relation to the significance of pumpkin is not only a seasonal novelty commodity, but they also have cultural and nutritional value attached to them. It is also valued as a commercial crop, and play an integral role in the diverse aspects of life. For the significance of the mealybugs are small, soft-bodied insects belonging to the family of Pseudococcidae. They are common pests among various plants, including pumpkin. They receive their names from the powdery wax secretion that covers their bodies, giving them their cottony appearance. Here is a short video of the mealybugs on a pumpkin fruit. For the identification of the mealybugs, as mentioned before, mealybugs are small, around 1 to 5 millimeters, depending on the species. They are oval-shaped, and as mentioned previously, are covered in a white powdery wax, giving them their mealy appearance. In terms of the life cycle, they undergo an incomplete metamorphosis, which have 3 stages: an egg stage, a nymph stage, and an adult stage. The nymph usually resembles the parents, but are small, with no wings. In terms of the feeding behavior, they feed by inserting a needle-like mouthpart into the plant tissues, extracting the sap from the fruit stem or leaves. They reduce plant health through the cause of damage to the pumpkin plants by draining their sap, which reduces the vigor and cause retardation in growth, and in severe cases, death. For the honeydew, they excrete a sugary, sticky secretion, which is called honeydew. That builds up on plant surfaces. The result of the honeydew on the plant is usually a basis for subliminal growth of fungi and inhibiting photosynthesis. Mealybugs also transmit various plant pathogens, such as viruses, which move from plant to plant as they feed. This spreads diseases and reduces pumpkin yield and quality. In terms of the management strategies, cultural controls involves practices such as crop rotation, removing weeds, maintaining plant vigor through irrigation and fertilization, which helps reduce the mealybug population. For the mechanical control, handpicking from plants as well as pruning and disposal of infested parts of the plant can aid in the control of the pests. For the biological control, there are also the use of natural enemies like ladybugs, lacewings, parasitic wasps, and predatory beetles. The beneficial insects feed on the mealybugs, keeping their numbers low. Finally, chemical controls are also used in terms of insecticides, horticulture oils, insecticidal soaps, which help to manage mealybugs. The rotation of chemicals is very important to impede resistance buildup from the mealybug. I would like to thank you for watching this short video, and I hope that it was informative.